Good morning students. So today we have to start the next chapter in animal physiology, that is digestive system, means digestion and absorption. That chapter we have to study today. So digestion means what? You heard the word digestion and absorption. So food is the basic requirement of all organisms. So food consists the main component, that is carbohydrate, protein and the lipid, that is nothing but fat here. Okay. So the food mainly consists the components like protein, carbohydrate and lipid. So again in small quantity we require some minerals and again some vitamins. Okay, all these things. So instead of these, even we need the water for the digestion purpose here. Getting what I am saying? So these all we called as the macromolecule, bio-macromolecule, that is carbohydrate, protein and the lipid here. So these we cannot take in their original form because this is the complex form. So this should be break down. Carbohydrate should be break down, protein should be break down, then only the simple absorbable form will be formed, then that is easy for the energy production here. So finally digestion is nothing but it is the breaking down of the large complex food molecule into the simple absorbable form here. Large complex food molecule means carbohydrate. So how it will be break down? With the help of enzyme. So the particular enzyme is there for the particular substrate, then end product will be produced here. So carbohydrate will be produced, end product glucose here. Protein will be produced amino acid. Okay, so fat, that is nothing but the lipid, that will be produced glycerol and fat acids here, fatty acids. So these glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, glycerol, all these are simple absorbable form. Those will be enter in the cell. Then finally energy production will be takes place. That's why this the digestion, where the breaking down process of the food molecule takes place in the particular digestive system. Getting what I am saying? So breaking down of the food molecule will be occurs in the digestive system. So this we can call as the digestive system of the human beings. So what different parts will be comes under the digestive system? So the main parts that we called as the alimentary canal and again digestive glands. First is the alimentary canal, then second is the digestive glands. Okay, so the human digestive system consists of the alimentary canal, that we can also call as the digestive tract, digestive tube, which will be runs from the mouth to the anus. All these parts will be comes under the alimentary canal or alimentary tract here, okay, which will be runs from the mouth to the anus here. Again, the digestive glands which are associated with the alimentary canal, those are again different glands are there. Pancreas, liver, salivary glands, all these things we call as the digestive glands here. Okay. So first we have to study the alimentary canal. So this is the structure of the digestive system in human, that we call as the alimentary canal. So the first part is nothing but the mouth. Okay. So the first part in case of the alimentary canal, mouth, which is the anterior part, consists the buccal cavity, or we call as the oral cavity. Okay. So that buccal cavity consists the different number of the teeth and again highly muscular movable tongue. The main part comes under the buccal cavity, that is movable tongue and the teeth here. Okay. So if you consider the role of the tongue, so it is highly muscular and movable, which will be helps for the movement of the food particles here. Okay. So helps for the chewing and again swallowing, all the different mechanical process will be goes inside the buccal cavity. Again, over the surface of the tongue, taste buds are present, which will be held for the taste purpose here. Okay. Then teeth. So in case of the human being, so the 32 number of the teeth were there. These teeth are located in the socket, in the jaw of the socket, that we called as the thecodont. So the teeth are located in the socket of the jaw. The location we called as such type of the teeth we called as the thecodont. Again, in case of the human being, two sets of the teeth are there. So one set we called as the temporary teeth, means milk teeth, that will be replaced by the permanent teeth. Okay. So two sets of the teeth are present in case of the human beings. So that condition we called as the diphyodont. Okay. Two sets of the teeth present in case of the human beings. That's why we called as the diphyodont. And the 32 number of the fixed teeth are there. So that dentition formula we called as the 2123 divided by 2123. Okay. So what is this number? 2 means what? 1 means what? Again 2, 3 means what? Different types of the teeth are present, that we call a heterodont. Okay. So the 2 number indicates that incisor. Again, this is the canine, premolar, molar. So one side set we called as the 2123 divided by 2123. Again one side 2123 divided by 2123. So this is the dentition formula in case of the human beings. Okay. So incisor, canine, premolar and the molar. So like this, different number of the teeth are present in case of the human beings. So which will be helps for the breaking down of the food molecule. So the starting process of the digestion starts in the mouth, or we call as the buccal cavity. So here the saliva is present. That saliva plays important role for the pre-processing of the digestion here. So next part leads to the pharynx. So after that the parts will becomes that we call as the pharynx, which is the common passage for the air, and again we call it the food particle, means for the respiration and for the digestion. Here what happens? Epiglottis and glottis part will becomes in case of the pharynx here. Okay. Epiglottis is the digestive system, glottis is the respiratory tract. It is the just like the muscular which is present over the means in the surface of the pharynx, where epiglottis plays important role. It will be prevent the entry of the food in the glottis, means in the trachea, air pipe. Okay. So epiglottis prevents the entry of the food in the trachea. Again, over the surface of the trachea, glottis is present. That will be prevent, means it will be help for the food should be enter in the digestive tract. Like this, common passage is there, that is called pharynx. Here trachea will go, here digestive system, esophagus will be goes here. Here pharynx. Okay. So like this system is present in the middle part, that is the pharynx region. Then it leads to the tube-like structure. That tube-like structure is nothing but the esophagus. Okay, which is again circular muscles are present over the surface of the esophagus. So that will be plays important role in the food particles will be goes down here. How it will be goes down? The movement will be occurs in the esophagus, that we call as the muscular movement. Peristalsis process will be takes place. Peristalsis means so muscles are present over the surface of the esophagus. So the when the food will be comes here, movement will be takes place. Contraction, relaxation. Contraction, relaxation. Like this movement will be occurs, that we call as peristalsis movement. So that food will be goes down, means it will be enter in the stomach part. Getting what I am saying? So peristaltic movement takes place in the esophagus, where it will be help for the entry of the food in the stomach region. So these questions will be asked for 2 marks. Define peristalsis. Okay. So the next part we called as the J-shaped sac-like structure. That is nothing but the stomach. Getting what I am saying? After the esophagus, the next part will becomes, which is the blind sac-like structure. That is nothing but the stomach, where food will becomes in the stomach region. It will be enter in the stomach region. So this stomach, if you consider the structure, it have again 3 parts. Okay. So 3 parts means that we called as the cardiac, fundus and the pyloric. Where it is present? This part we refer as the cardiac, near to the esophagus. Then it is fundus, middle region. Then last region pyloric. Like these 3 parts will be 3 regions will be comes under the stomach: cardiac, fundus, pyloric. Okay. So these 2 will be for the body of the stomach. This is the nearer, cardiac is nearer to the esophagus. So here only the liver is present. So that is the digestive glands. After the stomach, the next part that we called as the small intestine and the large intestine. So small intestine, which is the means food will be comes from the stomach to the small intestine. So this small intestine again have the different part that we call as duodenum. First part, which is nearer to the stomach, duodenum. Then here middle part, jejunum. Then ileum, last part. Okay. Duodenum, jejunum, ileum. These are nothing but the parts of the small intestine where the digestion will be takes place in the small intestine. Then next part we call as the large intestine. So large intestine means, the word large means it is not that much large as compared to the small intestine. Small intestine, it is the, its length is more as compared to the large intestine. So this large intestine have the different parts like colon, cecum and the rectum. Okay. So final digestion will be takes place and it will be goes outside the body, means unwanted material, undigested material will be goes outside through the anus part here. Okay. This we called as the anus. Cecum, this is part of the large intestine, where this we called as the means vestigial organ, because here again vermiform appendix will be formed in this region. Vermiform appendix, so which is the vestigial organ, which is the vestigial part found in the cecum region, where it doesn't have any role, but simply due to the infections it will be occur, that is the appendix, like the bacteria and viruses. Okay. So the last part is the anus, where the undigested food will be goes outside the body through the anus part here. So this is regarding the alimentary canal, that is nothing but the digestive tube, digestive tract. So next we have to study the digestive glands. So digestive glands, which are the different digestive glands associated with the digestive system? Glands means these are the organs secrete something secretions. That secretions plays important role in the digestion of the food material. So first we call it as the salivary gland. Then liver, pancreas. Liver is the digestive gland. Then pancreas is also digestive gland. Okay, so salivary glands, these are located in the buccal cavity. Different types of the salivary glands are there, where they secrete the saliva. Okay, saliva consists the different enzymes like the amylase. So enzymes, even sodium, potassium, all these things are present in the saliva, that will be help for the breaking down of the food, that will be mouth region. Okay. So salivary glands means you know the parotid salivary gland. Parotid, submaxillary and sublingual. These are the different salivary glands present in the mouth region or in the buccal cavity. So parotid means these are present in the cheek region. Okay, parotid gland. These we called as the parotid salivary gland. Again, submaxillary means in the lower jaw. These are present in the lower jaw. These are present in the tongue region. Lower side of the tongue region. The duct is present. Through the duct, saliva will go in the buccal cavity and digestion will be starts there. Okay. So the next digestive gland is the liver. Okay. So this part we referred as the liver, where it is brownish in color and we called as the endocrine gland. Means it secretes something that will be helpful for the digestion purpose. So these consist the two lobes, right lobe and the left lobe. These two lobes are present in the liver. So within the liver, one part is present, that is the gallbladder. So that will be secrete the bile. That bile will be comes through the gallbladder, through the duct in the duodenum, and digestion of the lipid will be starts there. Getting what I am saying? So the main function of the liver, it will be secrete the bile. That bile consists the bile salt, helps for the digestion of the lipids. Means what we call fat molecule. So the lipid digestion occurs in the duodenum because the duct directly goes to the duodenum. That secretion will be comes here and the digestion will be starts in the duodenum part here. Okay. So the last digestive gland is the pancreas. So pancreas also heterocrine means endocrine plus exocrine. Heterocrine. It secretes the pancreatic juice. So that pancreatic juice consists the enzymes. That enzymes helps for the breaking down of the protein molecule here. Okay. So this part we refer as the pancreas. It is a pinkish leaf-like structure present in the lower side of the stomach region. So this part is the pancreas, helps for the secretion of the pancreatic juice. That pancreatic juice consists the enzymes. That enzymes will be helped for the digestion of the protein molecule. So this entire digestion of the protein lipid occurs in the small intestine and the large intestine. Means final digestion will be takes place in the large intestine where the lipids and the protein molecule, and the undigested, what remaining matter that is the undigested, that will be goes outside the body here. So this is regarding the digestive system in case of the human beings. So next class we have to study the digestion of the carbohydrate, proteins, and again absorption. So this much things you have to study under the digestion here. Okay. Thank you.